Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we got something exciting to go over, and that is the two different style NewBeeDrone batteries. This right here is the old style with the PH2 connector, and these have been the best one cell batteries out there for a good amount of time, and I think all of you would agree with me on that. These batteries have performed amazing. Now we are going to be comparing these batteries to the new style GNB27 connector battery that NewBeeDrone just came out with not that long ago. And the only difference in between these batteries is the connector. And I verified with NewBeeDrone they did not change anything inside the batteries. So exactly the same inside, the only thing that is different is the connector. And hopefully the new GNB27 connectors on these batteries last a little bit longer than the PH2 connectors, because I felt like the PH2 connectors didn't last that long. You were swapping pigtails out because they deteriorated very quickly. What we're going to be testing these batteries out on today is my NewBeeDrone mosquito bind and fly that I got a while ago. This thing is swinging the 20,000 kV motors, which is at the highest level of kV that NewBeeDrone has, so a lot of drawing out. And also the bird is a little bit heavier. So I figured that would be a great platform to test these batteries out, being that this thing draws a lot more current than say your little whoops that you fly around the house. One disclosure, my NewBeeDrone PH2 connector batteries are a little bit older, so they aren't brand new. So if I had these brand new, they would perform a little bit better than they will in this test. But I didn't feel like spending a lot of money on new PH2 connector batteries when most likely I'm going to switch over to the GNB27 connector if it performs properly in this test. Enough talking, so let's get straight into the flying now. Whoa, I don't know if you could tell the difference. Hopefully you could. This battery performed amazingly. The amount of power you're getting out of the GNB27 connector is a lot more than you receive out of the PH2 connector. I actually was not thinking the difference would be that much, but I'm very happy with how these batteries perform compared to the older style battery. And I will definitely be making the switch to these batteries with the GNB27 connector on them because they perform a lot better. Now I haven't been flying my Mosquito that much because I felt like when you stuck these batteries on there, it was just underpowered. you didn't have a lot of power to play around with. It was more of a little cruiser, and I like a lot of power with my little drones. So that's why I haven't been flying it much. But now with these style batteries with that same connector, it gives a lot more power, so it makes this thing a lot funner. Both of these batteries did give me around 2 minutes of flight time. I'm actually not surprised about that because they do have the same internal, so they both gave me around 2 minutes of flight time. However, this one gave me a lot more power output than the PH2 connector. I know it's a pain switching all of your batteries over to a different style connector because most of your chargers that you have probably are with the PH2 connector, and that is the biggest pain, is switching over how you're going to charge your batteries. But I think it's definitely worth it switching over to the GNB27 connector. If you fly these batteries and you compare them back to back, you will notice a significant difference. This one giving you a lot more power. So I would definitely recommend, if you haven't, at least buy one and buy the connectors so you can swap over and give it a try. At least one time, give it a try to see how you like it. They aren't that expensive, so I would definitely recommend trying them out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments or anything like that, leave those down in the comments. And if you haven't, hit that subscribe button, pound it, whatever you're into. And guys, we will see you next time.